After 3 days, you'll rise again. 3-day detox diet. In today's environment and majority of lifestyles, it's hard to avoid coming across with substances and chemicals that are foreign to our system. In defense, the body reacts in remarkable ways to protect itself from intruders. Normally, it's the excretory organs like the liver, kidneys, skin, including the lungs that need to work extra hard to segregate, neutralize, and dispose the toxins. But it's easier said than done. Toxins that accumulate in every cell of our body will cause the latter to release some form of chemicals, take the effects of nicotine in our brain, or gradually mutate into cancers and other degenerative diseases. And we can never take back what we took in. However, changing lifestyles and going on detox programs can do wonders for the proper functioning of vital body processes. Detoxification promotes cell renewal, flushes out free radicals, and strengthens the immune system. Even as short as a 3-day detox diet can help in purging out damaging toxins and make you feel so much better. Although not all detox types are suitable for everyone, a 3-day detox may be a milder way of detoxifying. Other detox programs may require you to get a go signal from your doctor, especially if you are underweight, malnourished, or have chronic diseases like cancer, iron deficiency, anemia, ulcerative colitis, kidney and liver disease, among others. To begin with, this detox program is especially designed for a 3-day detox diet. Try to include the following foods for each day within 3 days. Upon waking up in the morning, drink a cup of warm water and 1/2 lemon squeezed in it to stimulate your gastric juices. For your meals, eat 1 cup of whole grains like brown rice, buckwheat, amaranth, and at least 3 servings each of fruits and vegetables, one of which should be eaten raw. You could also make salads out of fruits and vegetables, but choose vinegar or any natural virgin oils, olive and coconut virgin oils or fish oil, for your dressing. In addition, have 2 doses of kidney and liver tonics over the 3-day detox diet, 2 cups of dandelion, chamomile or fennel tea, pure vegetable juice like carrot or beetroot, a clove of fresh garlic, medium bunch of black grapes, 2 cups of parsley or yellow tea. And make it a habit to drink 8 glasses or more water, as well as other fluids made of fresh fruit juices such as apple and orange. In your 3-day detox diet, drink herbal tea before going to bed, and have a 30-minute walk within the program period. After the 3rd day, you'll surely feel rejuvenated and may want to do the 3-day detox diet again. But before you do that, change your lifestyle as much as possible. Your body will reward you big time.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.